In this digital era, most of us still love those handmade invitation cards. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Deepakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories and other craft items. So after sending those invitation cards to your loved ones, we all know what happened to them, and that is the most heartbreaking part of it. To solve this small issue, what we have added some really beautiful pictures to those invitation cards so that your loved ones can use those invitation cards as a decoration of their home or their office. To know how to do it, let's just watch this video. So I just hope you are planning to make this beautiful invitation card for your loved ones, and if you're planning to do, then don't forget to tell us about your experience in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and happy Diwali to everyone.